you've mentioned Odette, no?
Yeah.
Paano nakatulong yung surfing sa pagbangon din ng Siargao after Odette?
Yeah, surfing kasi is the main livelihood here. And one, like, meant like psychologically for the people who live here. Kahit nasira na lahat, may alon pa rin. Which is the reason why we're here, the reason we have fun. The day after, people were surfing. So psychologically, it reminded us of how much we love the ocean and surfing. So whatever happens, andyan pa rin. And tourism has brought a lot of businesses here and tourists. And those people were the ones actually who have Odette, like the effects of Odette. I wouldn't say it was the public or government, but the first ones were the tourists, the friends of the instructors, friends of locals.
That's good.
So thanks to surfing, maraming friends, diba? Surfing, you make a lot of friends, and because of that, a lot of people have.
Yeah.
Can we